Welcome back. Like always, we're just pulling up the AI Agents Store.ai page to see what's on the docket today.
It's just the daily routine at this point.
It really is. And today, our mission is exploring this software testing QA tool called AI Security Guard. We want to figure out how developers can protect you and your AI agents from malicious inputs before the damage is actually done.
Which is such a critical topic right now. I mean, by building autonomous systems, we're essentially opening up entirely new attack vectors.
Right. Okay, let's unpack this. If you are building an AI agent, you know it's incredibly vulnerable to things like prompt injection or jailbreaks and credential theft.
Yeah, securing the inputs those systems ingest has to be priority number one.
Definitely. So AI Security Guard acts as a real-time gatekeeper. Think of it like a really intense TSA scanner at the airport. It doesn't just glance at the outside of your bag.
It chemically tests the liquids inside.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It actively analyzes content before your agent ever gets a chance to process it.
What's fascinating here is the sheer breadth of defense. We aren't just talking about scanning plain text inputs.
Right, because an attacker isn't just going to type, "Give me the passwords," into a simple chat box.
No, they won't. This tool actively pre-flights URLs. It extracts documents like PDF and docx files. It checks webhooks and even breaks down emails and calendar invites.
Those standard RFC 5322 and ICS files we all use every day without a second thought.
Yeah, exactly those. Imagine your agent is tasked with scheduling meetings, and a bad actor sends an ICS calendar invite.
Right, that secretly contains a prompt injection command to forward all your emails to them.
Attackers know basic agents just look for malicious keywords, so they encode their payloads in formats like base64 or hidden text.
And to a basic filter, base64 just looks like random gibberish.
Right, but once it's decoded inside the system, it executes the attack. This tool is specifically looking to catch those encoded payloads before they slip past the front door.
But wait, if it's actively pre-flighting URLs and extracting PDFs and tearing apart calendar invites on every single input, doesn't that introduce a massive bottleneck into the pipeline?
You'd think so, but that's the beauty of it. It's built to add a highly deterministic security layer directly into your agent pipeline without stalling it out.
So it's not just sending you a vague alert that forces you to stop and figure it out on your own.
No, it returns a firm verdict. You get a clear proceed, review, or block command.
And it's giving you the exact confidence levels, severity ratings, specific findings, and actionable advisories right away.
Yes. Plus, it allows for follow-up Q&A about the specific detections, so you can interrogate the threat further if needed.
So you get this incredibly granular deterministic security output. But all that heavy-duty scanning sounds expensive. How does the pricing actually work for a developer running thousands of queries a day?
Well, it's a closed-source tool, and it utilizes a paper scan model based entirely on content size.
Because the microeconomy built around this is really interesting.
It is. What makes it unique is that it's powered by BY 402 USDC micropayments, meaning you're essentially paying fractions of a crypto stablecoin per stan, utilizing the BY 402 protocol standard.
That makes a lot of sense. Instead of a massive, flat subscription fee, there are separate rates tailored for specific tasks.
Right. You pay a different tiny rate for document extraction compared to pre-flight validation or advisory questions. You only pay for the exact security you consume.
So what does this all mean? Ultimately, whether you are a security engineer, an AI developer, or a DevOps professional, AI Security Guard takes the guesswork out of agent security.
It stops data exfiltration and social engineering before your system even knows it's under attack.
Absolutely.
This raises an important question for you to think about, though. As we build these AI security guards to protect our AI agents, will those security scanners eventually become so complex that they need their own specialized security agents just to ensure they aren't being manipulated?
Guarding the guards. That is a wild thought to leave you with.
It really is.
If you want to check out this tool and lock down your own agents, head over to AIAgentStore.ai. Thank you so much for rating the podcast. We really appreciate it. See you next time.